Hey guys, this is Mike from Beat Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Kumi KU6 Meta Smartwatch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing here for the Beat Tech channel. Thanks again for coming by. I know I haven't really done any unboxings, and a company reached out to me via Amazon, so I will go ahead and post up the link in the description below, guys. And at the making of this video, I believe this smartwatch is under $30. I believe I'm seeing a $23 price, and the cool part about that is it comes in a lot of different colors. So there's actually different variants of this watch that you can get. You can get pink, you can get white, you can get black. I'm believing they sent me again the black version. Let's take a look what it says here in the back really quick. It just has, oh, okay, actually they sent me the white version. Okay, sounds okay. So this is a unisex smartwatch, guys, and I want to say it'll work on either Android or iOS. We might have to test that out here, but most of these watches, these they're kind of like, they're sport watches. They are kind of like made to duplicate Apple Watches in a sense, not just Apple Watches, but like, like Samsung watches, etc., like that. They want to make sure that that you can do all that, I guess, and it's the same thing, right? Let's go ahead and get the thing open here. A lot of them promote like, active living, and again, Kumi is the brand here. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm not a fan of the size of the actual box here. I think it's kind of a little big for what it is, but I guess because it actually has the strap right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the watch really quick. Very nice looking band, actually, from the looks of it. And if I could be honest, it does, I wouldn't say it feels super premium. I mean, it looks like it's got like an aluminum trim, but this is mostly just hard touch plastic here. Not too bad though. I mean, I like the wristband. The wristband does say Kumi over here on the side. I'll go ahead and maybe leave that there. That could be the thumbnail there. Not too bad though. If you guys look at the side here, instead of like a little, I guess, circular button, it has kind of just like a spherical one. And not too bad there. Here are your sensors here that will track probably your heart rate and whatever else. Really nothing here on the side. I think that might just be like a little speaker grill, etc., guys. And I really don't know much about this watch, if I can be 100% honest, guys. Kumi Smartwatch Operation Guide. So I'm gonna assume that I'm gonna have to download an app, right? Download the mobile app, right? And binding, etc., like that. We'll get it set up. I'm gonna set it up with my iPhone, just so I can kind of take this to work and test it out. As you can see here, though, it does have features like call notification. You can access your contacts. You can probably call. It does have things like sleep, where it monitors your sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, which I know a couple years ago when COVID was hitting high, that was very important. Female health, which I think it also can track the female ovulation, or not ovulation, but you guys know what I mean. Weather, alarm clock, etc., like that. So it has a lot of different cool little features. Again, I was just looking at a few of them. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this set up here, guys. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this little thing off. Let's see what kind of charger it comes with really quick before we try to get this set up, guys. And then I'm gonna probably do a quick jump cut, right? From the looks of it, it looks like a magnetic charger, which again, most likely that's going to be your point of contact right here. So it's going to have to just go one way. So not too bad. It's pretty sturdy. Also, some of these magnetic things don't work very well. This one actually is connecting very good. So check that out. Look at that. It's pretty on there, if I can be 100% honest. So let's go ahead and get this turned on, and let's see what the startup looks like. I want to say just holding down the button will turn it on. Let's take a look, guys. Let's see if it has a charge. I might actually have to connect this and charge this for a couple of minutes, because sometimes these don't have a charge when they send them out. So I'm not getting anything right now. Let me see if there's any other buttons that I need to be pressing. Maybe not. I might have to plug this in, guys. So let's check that out really quick. All right, so we're supposed to actually be able to long press the button here for 5 seconds. I do have it plugged in. Let's see, there we go. Okay, it says it's at 0%. So we got to give it a few minutes to charge, guys. We'll let it sit for a minute because it legit came dead to me, guys, which I think is pretty funny. But anyways, guys, we'll go ahead and let it charge for, about 30 minutes, and then we'll get back to the video here. Alright guys, so we finally got the smartwatch on, as you can see here, and as you can see here, it's actually got a pretty nice, I guess, little face here. Let's go ahead and select English. It says scan to bind, right? So I do have to scan the QR code on this on my iPhone, right? So that I can make sure I can get the app here to the watch. So most of these generic smartwatches do this now, so let's go ahead and take care of that really quick. So what you want to do is, again, you just want to make sure you scan it, and then what's going to do is it's going to take you to like the website or something like that, which it's going to say, oh, the Kumi Wear, okay, you can download it from, and it gives you options, right? It says Google Play, App Store, or it has like another little Android logo. Let's just go to App Store, right? So for the iPhone users, Kumi Wear, go ahead and just get. I'm going to have to install it. Let me go ahead and double tap there. It's a free app, luckily, so I don't have to really worry too much about that while it's downloading. And again, it's a pretty nice watch, guys, honestly. So I'm not going to put it on just yet. I'm going to wait for the app to install first, and then I'll put the watch on afterwards. So let's go ahead and get this set up right. So let's go ahead and open it, and then it says, Kumi would like to allow Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And then it says, as a guest, I'm going to ask app to not track, right? So it looks like I do have to make I guess it says either join us or sign in. I'm gonna put visit as guest just because. So let me go ahead and enter all my information, and then let me see if I can go ahead and get this set up for you guys. All right, so now we are gonna go ahead and agree to bind the phone. Go ahead and do that. Binding, not too bad, and the phone is going to ask you to pair, so let's go ahead. You have to do it both through the app and through the phone, guys. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as, we'll go ahead and allow notifications, but it's not as simple as just like an Apple Watch, right, where the phone will automatically detect an Apple Watch, etc., like that. Okay, so we'll go back to this later because I know there's like a bunch of watch faces that I can use. Hold on, let's go ahead and change. Let's go ahead and maybe look at one or two that I might like. I'll go ahead and keep it on that one, I guess. Let's see. Right now it's on that, which I'm not too fan of this one. It's like there's too much going on with that one. So far the screen is not that bad to look at though, guys. Let's take a look. Let's see. So it is telling me that the watch is at 30%. That's pretty cool though, that this has a lot of watch faces. Kind of like them all, honestly. Well, I don't like all of them, but you guys know what I mean. They even have Christmas themed ones, which is pretty cool also. I'm pretty simple. I'm more of like a red and black type person, or like, like a neon green, stuff like that. Though let's go back to the beginning here, just so that we can look at that. I guess I'm just gonna go with something simple. Sync watch face. It looks like you have to download it, which there's nothing wrong with that. I think some of these smartwatch things have already several pre-built-in watch faces. So now look at that. Now it's actually downloading. While it's downloading here, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the watch a little bit, right? So I'm reading this directly off the Amazon website, just so you guys know, right? So about this item, it's easy to make, answer, and call notifications. Smartwatch can connect to your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to make and answer phone calls, as well as enjoy music directly from your smartwatch. Download the free Kumi app to receive alerts for calendar, SMS, incoming calls, and various media notifications. Never miss important events again with this watch that keeps you in the loop. Note our operation video will guide you. So again, you can look at the operation video through their website. Health data monitoring. So I think that's why a lot of people would probably want to get this if you're an active person, right? This fitness tracker smartwatch with a heart rate monitor provides a real-time heart rate tracking, calories, steps, distance, and working time. Smartwatch with the Android iOS can also automatically track your steps using our app and analyze the quality of your sleep as well. So a sleep tracker as well. So a little bit of everything. It has different sport modes, right? The Kumi smartwatch supports 100 plus sport modes, including swimming, running, rock climbing and yoga. And the cool part about this watch, guys, is it is IP68 certified, so you can actually get this wet. It is you can take this into the water and get it wet. You can probably go swimming with it, etc., like that. It says long battery life as well. So the smartwatch offers a range of interests and practical functions, right? But it says on a full charge, this should last between 5 and 7 days. And it says compatible with iOS 9.0 and Android 4.0 and up. So right now my iPhone is actually running iOS 17. So you can see the smartwatch there. So, and look at this, you know, I'm just kind of going over the little functions here. Let's see, it even has like its own little flashlight. So just so you guys can kind of see right there, it does have like a little bit of a chin, not too bad. I really wish that it was more centered. I wouldn't mind having like bezels that was even, I guess, you know, for the most part though. It's not too bad. So you can adjust the brightness level, right? I think I'll probably just keep it there in the middle. So let's take a look at the menu style here. It does give you an option, style 1, style 2. I'll leave it on style 2 for now. Let's see if I can just go back by swiping left. There you go. Display, which you have brightness, screen time, which this 5 seconds, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to push it up to 10 seconds, or let's put it like at 15. And the reason why is because it's turning off like extremely quick on us. Longer screen time consumes more battery. That's okay. Raise to wake. So, you know, when you do that, that means you're putting it on your wrist. I'll leave it at 5 seconds. I'll leave that at the default just for the heads up. So right now I can kind of tell you that some of the stuff isn't very sensitive as far as the screen goes. Maybe that's just me. Vibration intensity. Leave it like that, I guess. QR code, password, system. Let's go to system. So you can shut down and reset this if you want, right? So if I decide to give away this watch, right, I can go ahead and do that. Here's the information there. Let's go ahead and let's just see what the home button does. So the home button just takes you there, and of course it gives you a lot of various options here, right? So it says workout data, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, right? So like let's go to my messages really quick. So like my friend Carlos sent me a message, right? He's saying that there's drizzle at work, so not too bad. Let's go back home. Let's see if I can swipe right. So it does have like a little activity tracker also. It telling you your steps, I believe your heart rate. I don't know what that blue symbol means. I'm gonna have to kind of look that up, but it's pretty cool because you can like literally just swipe, you know, for some of these functions. Or again, if you just want to go through the actual format there itself, you know, you can even play music. If you're a woman and you want to track your menstrual cycle, etc., like that does give the option. So let me see, press play. I don't even know if I can play music. Nothing's happening right now. So, but I know that these watches can play music as well. So I don't have any music set playing right now. That's why. So, so if you want to swipe from the bottom up, you can check your notifications, right? If you swipe left, it just kind of gives you like a little bit of a shortcut here, guys. Let me go ahead and put the watch on. You know, again, this is the white variant. Again, you can get this in different colors. There's black, there's pink, there's, you know, and let's take a look. Let's see how it fits. I'm going to try to just get it on there as best as I can. What I really want to do is like check the heart rate and whatnot, right? I think that's what I want to do. Let's see, this little band down here is actually kind of giving me a little bit of trouble, but maybe that's just me. Okay, so we got the watch on finally, guys. So let's go ahead and let's check our heart rate. You know, most of them you do have to tap. Let's see. Usually they'll vibrate, but this one I got a little animation on the screen. So let's see. At least I'm hoping. Okay, there we go. So 81 beats per minute, which is pretty normal. The average adult heart rate is between 60 and 100. Let's go to see if I can find the blood pressure. Check it out. So since it is synced with my watch, it is showing in Celsius, which I'm not sure how to change. I probably have to do that through the app, guys. But again, this is more of a watch overview. This is not an app overview, guys. Just a heads up, the app is there, so you can go and change things though. So I just want to kind of explain that to you guys. I'm not going to give you guys a full overview, but so far, you know, I'm liking the watch. You know, it's not laggy or janky as far as that goes. Let me, well, I was gonna say, let me see if I can like make a call with it, but I really don't want to. There's really no one I want to call right now. So, let's see. Let's go back. Let's see the blood pressure, and let's see how bad my blood pressure is right now, guys. I haven't eaten anything for a couple of hours, so again, instead of a vibration, you get like a little animation here. And again, I don't have this super set high. I'm holding my arm up. I don't know if that's a good thing to hold your arm up while taking your blood pressure, but we'll do that, and then we'll go ahead and close off the video, guys. But yeah, guys, for under $30, I would say that, you know, the build quality of this and, you know, the features that you get with it, you know, that's not too bad, honestly. And I'm going to go ahead and leave an affiliate link in the description so you guys can check that out. So check that out. It says my blood pressure is 126/69. That's pretty good for me, considering, because I usually have, my blood pressure is usually in the 130s. Oh, there you go. You can already see 130. So there you go. So it says it's normal, you know. That, for me, that's probably actually low for me. So not too bad. But again, guys, you know, just showing you those little features here that this watch does have to offer, right? You know, blood oxygen, messages, weather, music, you know, breathe training. So if you guys want to, like, if you do yoga and stuff like that, it does have a stopwatch, timer, an alarm clock, collection code. I don't know what that is exactly. Business card, right? Which, you know, if you guys own a business and you want to, you know, use NFC, I believe that will probably help you in the long run also. Compass. Let's see. I'm actually facing south. Having magnets nearby could affect. Okay, so wave your watch in the figure 8 to calibrate. What do you mean wave your watch? So I don't even know how that works. Figure 8. That's so weird. Okay, let's go back. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. So it does have a camera feature also. So no, the watch doesn't have a camera, but when you have something like that, that means you can take pictures. Or you can use this as like a shutter button when you guys set your camera up on a tripod, etc. like that. So not too bad, right? Let's see, 5 plus 5 equals 10, all right? So you guys see that the calculator function does work. It does cut off a little bit there on the bottom, right? Which, you know, that's not going to bother a lot of people, right? But, you know, it is what it is. Find your phone. So like, okay, my phone is not there. That's a feature that iOS has, right? Find the phone. Let's hit it. So I hit find phone. Let's see if it does anything to my phone. I don't hear a noise or anything like that. It just says successful. So I don't know exactly how this is supposed to work. Okay. So right now my phone is on vibrate. That's why I couldn't hear it. So let's try this again. Okay, find phone. Let's do it again. Hold on. It was vibrating at first. I don't know what's going on now. But I think you have to be a little bit further away from the phone, because the phone was vibrating and now it's not vibrating. So it just says successful. So anyways, guys, just a quick overview of this watch, right? You guys, I will post the description. I will post the Amazon link in the description for you guys. But for the most part, really not a bad price, and I believe the bands probably are most likely interchangeable also, because the little bottom portions do look like they come off as well. So, you know, you don't want to, if you want to have different color bands, like me, I would have preferred red, but, you know, the white looks kind of classy also. So, you know, it depends on what you're using the watch for, etc. I'm actually going to take this to work today, and I'm going to test this out, see how it works, and we'll see how it goes, guys. So again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. Smash that like button if you guys like the content, and, you know, comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys like the video. Let me know if you guys hated the video. Let me know how it goes, guys. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays, and we'll see you guys next time.